If your devices are stuck asking for IP addresses and nothing's happening, your DHCP server probably isn't set up. Today we're fixing that with a complete, step-by-step guide. Welcome back to N7 Tips. In this episode, we're configuring a DHCP server on MikroTik from scratch. By the end, your clients will automatically receive IP addresses. Let's dive in. First, navigate to the DHCP server settings in your MikroTik interface. You can do this through the graphical menu or use the command line if you prefer. Either way gets you to the same place. Next, you need to create an address pool. This is the range of IP addresses your DHCP server will hand out. Make sure it doesn't overlap with any static IPs on your network. Define the starting and ending addresses for your pool. Now create a new DHCP server instance. You'll assign it a name, select which interface it listens on, and attach the pool you just created. The interface should be your LAN side where clients are connected. Now configure the DHCP network. This tells the server what subnet it's managing and what information to send to clients. Set the network address, gateway, that's usually your router, and DNS servers. Google's DNS works great here. Finally, verify everything's working. Check that your DHCP instance is enabled, then look at the Leases section to see connected clients. Test by connecting a device. It should get an IP from your pool automatically. If something's not working, double-check the pool range and gateway settings. And that's your DHCP server running. In the next episode, we're setting up VPN on MikroTik so you can securely access your network from anywhere. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching N7 Tips.